Hello guys, welcome. Today let's learn about law of conservation of momentum with an example. Let us consider two marbles A and B having masses ma and mb, initial velocity ua and ub, final velocity after collision va vb, and let t be the time after collision, and force on the body B due to A is given as FAB, and force on the body A due to B is given as FBA. Rate of change of momentum of a body A is given as MA into VA minus UA upon T. Similarly, rate of change of momentum of body B is given as mb into vb minus ub upon t. Law of conservation of momentum states that sum of momentum before collision is equal to sum of momentum after collision, provided that there is no external unbalanced force. We know that momentum P is equal to mass into velocity, and F is equal to ma is according to second law of Newton, that is ma is equal to m into v minus u divided by t. We can write F is equal to m into v minus u upon t. Now let us apply law of conservation of momentum on these two marbles. FAB is equal to minus FBA, that is equals to MA into UA plus MBUB is equal to MAVA plus MBVB. This is law of conservation of momentum before collision is equal to after collision. Let us see the different conditions where law of conservation of momentum can be seen. First, when both moving in the same direction with different velocities, after collision, both will move in the same direction, as we can see in the experiment. The second condition, when the large mass is stationary, small mass is having a large velocity, after collision, large mass will move a little distance, as you can see in the experiment. Another condition, where the small mass is stationary, after collision, both moves in the same direction, as you can see. Let us consider both the marbles are moving in opposite direction. After collision, the small marble moves opposite direction for a small distance, as you can see. In another condition, when both the marbles are moving in an opposite direction and a large body is having less velocity, after collision, both will come to stop. In simple words, we can say the momentum is conserved, means remains unchanged. So in this all condition, if we apply law of conservation of momentum, we'll get the final equation as we mentioned earlier, ma ua plus mb ub is equal to ma va plus mb vb. That is, sum of momentum before collision is equal to sum of momentum after collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force and it's having a time t. From all these conditions, we can derive the formula and will get the conservation of momentum equation. Hope you have learnt about law of conservation of momentum with an example. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Gyan Galaxies for more videos.